Hi everyone, welcome back to the Purple Tulip Workshop, and I'm your host Shipra. Today I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how to make a herringbone half double crochet. So let's get started. We're going to start this new stitch, which is the herringbone half double crochet, with our slip knot. And for this type of a stitch, we require our foundation chain to be in even numbers. For my swatch, I'm going to have a width of 10 chain, and I'm just going to add +2 onto it. So I'm going to make a foundation chain of 12. So I have my foundation chain of 12 now. And we're going to be working on the second chain, so we never count this loop on the hook. So this is our first chain, this is a second chain. I like to work on my back loops, so I'll do a yarn over, I'll put my hook into the back loop like this. I'll do yarn over, I'll pull through. Now I have 3 loops onto my hook. This first loop that we just pulled through, I'm going to pull it through this second loop that I had on my hook. So this particular stitch is known as a slip stitch. Now I'm going to do a yarn over and I'm going to pull through the both remaining loops. I'll show that to you again. How you work on the herringbone half double crochet stitch, and if in case you need to refer to the half double crochet tutorial, then you can refer to it from the link above. And now I'm just going to go ahead and complete this particular row and come to the last stitch and show you how to work on that. So I've come to this last stitch and I'll do a yarn over. I'll insert my hook into the back loop of this last stitch like this. I'll do a yarn over, I'll pull through, and then I'll pull through the same loop from the second loop, and then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So now we'll do a chain 2 and we will turn our work around. And now we're going to be working into this loop, the second chain, because the first chain we already have done a chain 2, so this becomes our first turning point here. So I'll do yarn over, I'll insert my hook into this stitch, I'll do yarn over, I'll pull through, and then I will pull through this loop through the second loop, and I'll do yarn over, I'll pull through both the remaining 2 loops. And to finish the ends, we can now just get hold of our broad-eyed needle, which is also known as the darning needle. We can thread these tails in and weave our work into the existing stitches. I'll just come back after finishing that. So I've woven my tail ends over here and over here. We can now just snip up the extra yarn. So this is what the herringbone half double crochet looks like. This is one of the variations of the half double. So when you do a slip knot at the bottom over here, it sort of tilts the post. So you see the post tilting, and then when you turn your work around, it's tilting again. So you get this sort of a tiltive wave all the way through in the herringbone half double crochet. And it sort of creates a really thick, dense sort of a fabric, so you can use it in multiple home projects like a dishcloth, a towel, anything like that which requires a little bit of thickness. This comes really handy. So if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel from the link below, and click onto the bell icon to get the latest updates. Take care for now. Bye bye.